Hi there, and welcome to today's English lesson. In this session, we're diving into some of the most useful phrasal verbs with the verb keep. They are super common in English, and mastering them will help you sound more natural and fluent in your conversations. Throughout the lesson, we'll explain each phrasal verb, give examples, and provide tips to help you remember them. At the end, there will be a short quiz to test your understanding. Let's get started. Our first phrasal verb is keep up. Now, this one has a couple of meanings. First, it can mean to maintain the same pace as someone or something. For example, she walks so fast that I can't keep up with her. Notice how it shows the struggle to match someone's speed. Another example, if you don't study regularly, it will be hard to keep up with the class. Here, we're talking about maintaining the same level of progress, but keep up also means to continue doing something. For instance, you might hear someone say, "Keep up the good work," or "He's been keeping up his studies despite working part-time." In these cases, the focus is on persistence. Next, let's talk about keep on. This means to continue doing something, often in a repetitive way. For example, keep on practicing and you'll improve your English skills. Simple, right? Another example, they kept on knocking until someone answered the door. Now we're moving on to keep out. This one means to prevent entry or to stay away from a certain place. Think of a sign on a door that says, "Keep out." It's a warning to stay away. Or imagine someone saying, "This fence is here to keep out wild animals." We also have keep away. This is about maintaining a safe distance. For example, the doctor told me to keep away from sugary drinks. Another one, keep the children away from the fire. It's dangerous. Then there's keep back. This can mean two things. First, it can mean to maintain physical distance, like the police asked the crowd to keep back from the accident scene. But it can also mean to withhold or restrain something, such as, "Don't keep back any details, tell me everything." Then there's keep to. This one is used when talking about sticking to a plan or rule. For example, let's try to keep to the schedule or we'll run out of time. It's all about following what's been decided. The next one is keep down. This is often about control or reducing something. You might hear someone say, "Please keep your voice down, the baby is sleeping." Or, "The government is working to keep inflation down." And finally, there's keep off. This means to avoid or prevent contact with something. A classic example, the sign says, "Keep off the grass." Or, "I'm trying to keep off junk food to stay healthy." Great job so far. Now let's test your understanding. I'll give a sentence with a blank and you'll choose the correct phrasal verb to fill it. Well done. Learning phrasal verbs takes time and practice, so don't worry if you need to listen again. Repetition is key. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.